Hi, I'm going to show you how to make a purchase through a Japanese website that doesn't allow international orders. We're going to use the Hora and Koji Cheki from the signing event as an example. So this is Hora's tweet saying to go to his website. So we are going to go to his profile on Twitter. We're going to click the link, which will take us to his website. We're then going to click the item. And there you go, we're going to have a quick look, check the item details, and you will notice it says there, we do not accept international orders. This doesn't mean you can't buy it. What it means is that they cannot take payment from outside Japan. So what we're going to do is, I personally like to translate the website, just so I can check everything. Just so I know what I'm doing. And then I'm going to go back up to the top, and you see the hotbar at the top with the little padlock. What I'm going to do there is I'm going to long press on there, and I'm going to copy it. Long press, copy. And then I'm going to dismiss Twitter, and I have already preloaded my proxy shipper onto my browser. So we're going to go into one map, which is from Japan. I'm going to long press on the search bar, and I'm going to paste that into there, and then we're going to search. That's going to bring up the page with all the information on. There you go. So it's the same photo. The information is the same. It gives you the conversion at that point in time. One of the good things about from Japan that I like is that I can actually translate the descriptions into English on their site. So I'm going to do that just to double check that it is the same information that was on Hora's site to begin with. There we go. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to add that to my cart. And then it's just going to bring up another page that shows you all the information. Double check everything is the same, how much you're paying. Proceed to checkout. Another page, always double check everything. No matter how many pages you have, double check. We're going to place the order, check the terms and conditions, and I'm going to confirm because I've read them 1,000 times. Once the payment's going through, what happens is if they cannot purchase the item, they will give you a full refund. If they do, what happens is they will email you when they receive the item, and you have 45 days to arrange international shipping with an additional cost. So now, you don't always get that page once you've searched the item. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use the pre-order page on Tower Records for Jisoo's new album, Juju. Tower Records actually have their own world shopping. So what you can do is you can just order it straight through them, but I'm just using it as an example. So what I'm going to do is the same as before. There we go, Jisoo. We are going to go up to the top to the hotbar. We're going to long press and copy. Dismiss Twitter. We're going to go back into One Japan. You'll see I've already searched this to check that it actually worked the way I wanted it to. So we're going to paste that into the search bar, just like we did before with the Cheki. We're going to search it. And you'll notice what happens is we get a very basic page which doesn't tell us anything at all. Basically, this is confirming that the link you've given them is an active link. So what they want you to do is give them information about what it is you want to buy. So we are going to have a look. They want the item name. Now you'll notice there's a preview. Click preview. That will take you back to the item page on Tower Records. Again, World Shopping is their proxy shipper. We are going to highlight and copy the title of the album. We're then going to go back, do not dismiss, go back onto that page, and we are going to long press and paste into the item name, and then you simply request a price quote. And what they do is they contact the website, double check that everything you've given them is correct, i.e. the item name, and they will then email you with the price, which would include any domestic shipping within Japan, which there isn't any, or there shouldn't be any. A lot of domestic shipping is free within Japan. They will email you, ask you to confirm. You will confirm that you want to pay it. You pay it, and the rest of the process is the same. Once they receive the item, you have 45 days to arrange international shipping. I hope this helps. Bye.